Okay. So page number
75.
7.
77.
77.
Sorry,
Oh,
ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
77.
77
Yes,
beta.
ma'am. 77. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
now McLary, he was searched thoroughly, and Jackson, he finds a paper knife that he asked him to take it, and he also finds a semi-inflated rubber ring, okay, such as a young child might use while swimming and so on. So Jackson, he just cracks a joke, okay. He just cracks a joke and asks McLary whether he's thinking of going for a swim. McLary does not like this, and in a bitter manner, he says that he's suffering from hemorrhoids, means piles, and when he sits for a long time, okay, he uses it when he goes to the washroom and so on, okay. Jackson, he feels very much embarrassed, sorry for having made such a bad joke, and good morning, bitter, good morning. And then what happens, the exam, it was about to begin at 9:15, but it was already 9:18, means it was very clear that the exam, it will begin a little late. It was 9:18 a.m. From here we have to do yes, children, put the date.
Ma'am, you've got to watch.
Yes,
We have
ma'am.
to read from you've got to watch.
Okay, but I'll
Yes,
repeat it.
ma'am.
Okay, it was 9:18 a.m. before the governor heard the voices again, and it was clear that the examination was going to be more than a little late in getting underway. Okay, now the conversation, it begins. McLary, he asked Evans, "You've got a watch?" Evans says, "Yes, sir." McLary then says, "I will be telling you when to start and again when you have 5 minutes left." Okay. Before the exam, it is about to finish. He says that before that, 5 minutes earlier, he would inform him that after 5 minutes, the exam, it would be over. Okay. 5 minutes left. As we announce in the examination hall, isn't it? हम लोग कहते हैं ना 10 minutes left, half an hour left, or 5 minutes left.
Yes, ma'am.
McLary, then he says, then there's a plenty more of this writing paper should you need it, है ना? Means lot more writing sheets are there. If you require, you can take. Again, there is silence. McLary, he says, now write the name of the paper. 021-1. Underline it in the top left-hand corner. Then in the top right-hand corner, write your index number 313. Underline it. 313. And in the box just below that, write your center number 271. Okay, then there was silence. And McLary, now I'm now going to, okay, he is not able to complete his sentence. He was about to speak something. He Evans interrupt करता कहता है, he is not going to stay here, is he now? Evans, he's talking about Stephen, who was standing there. Okay, they both were sitting opposite to each other, and Stephens was just standing there to keep a strict watch on Evans. So Evans, he does not like, and a similar thing might also happen to you also, better. When somebody stands there, it looks as if the person is standing on your head and you are unable to write it. Okay. So similarly, Evans, he got somewhat irritated and he says he's not going to stay here, is he? He wanted to confirm whether this police officer Stephens is going to stay here. I don't know about that. McLary, he does not know. Mr. Jackson's given me strict instructions to. अब Stephens कहता है, I'm not staying on my own wish. It's not my own desire. Mr. Jackson ने मुझे instructions दिए हैं. How am I supposed to concentrate on my exam with someone breathing down my neck? He gets irritated. He says, how am I going to concentrate on my examination? Somebody standing here on my head or breathing on my neck, Christ, oh sorry sir, I didn't mean it. उसको लगता है कि कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल दिया, so he feels sorry, okay? The governor reached for the phone. Jackson. Now see, the governor, he was listening to everything. Okay, the microphone was attached to it. The microphone, I told you yesterday, the microphone, it was attached, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember the microphone was attached?
Yes, ma'am.
So, governor, he was listening to all the conversation that was going on in the cell, right? तो जैसे ही वो सुनता है कि Stephens is also standing there, he calls Jackson. Good, get Stephens out of that cell, will you? And he orders Jackson to tell Stephens to stand out and then keep a strict watch on them, on him especially. I think we are perhaps overdoing things, और उसको लगता है वास्तव में हम बहुत ज्यादा overdo कर रहे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा overact कर रहे हैं. Okay, as you wish, sir. Who says Jackson? The governor heard the exchanges in the cell, heard the door clang once more, and heard McLary announce that the examination had begun at last. अब governor ने सुन लिया, there had been some exchanges. The door of the cell, it opened and it closed. Okay, and he also listened that McLary, he announced that the examination had begun at last. Now it was 9:25 a.m. and there was a great calmness was there, peace was there, silence was there. 9:25 a.m. they were 10 minutes late. Okay, at 9:40 a.m. the examination board rang through, and the assistant secretary with special responsibility for modern languages asked to speak to the governor. Now what happens at 9:40 a.m.? Okay, there was a call from the examination board, and it was a call from the assistant secretary who wanted to speak to the governor. Okay, be attentive on each and every line and on all the incidents or the events that are taking place.
Okay, ma'am.
See, the examination had
ma'am.
already started, no doubt. Quarter of an hour ago, है ना? Examination already start हो गया था quarter of an hour ago. Yes, well, there was a correction slip which some fool had forgotten to place in the examination package. Very brief. Could the governor please? Now the secretary says, he's some fool, you know. Okay, by mistake it might have happened. He says that some fool was there who had forgotten to place the correction slip in the envelope that was to be sent there, okay, to the prison. So could the governor please, now he requests the governor to please send the correction slip there to the cell where the exam was taking place. Yes, of course, I'll put you straight through to Mr. Jackson and leaving. Hold the line a minute. Governor says, okay, fine. I'll just connect you straight to Mr. Jackson. You just instruct him and just hold the line. And then the call, it was connected. But what was this the sort of thing the governor had feared? Was the phone call a fake, some signal, some secret message? Okay. Now, this was the thing the governor feared, you know, so much of interruption. उसको कहीं ना कहीं ये डर था, है ना, कि कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो जाए. Was the phone call a fake? Now again, so many doubts, you know, it kept on coming into his mind. Was this phone call a fake? Some signal was there, some indication, some secret plan, some secret message. What was it? Now he wanted to confirm it. But he could check on that immediately, and then he says, sure, he could check it. Okay, he does not say he's talking to himself. Okay, he's thinking. He dialed the number of the examination board but heard only the staccato bleeps. क्या होती है? Engaged tone होती है ना, sound of engaged tone of a line engaged. Now to get it confirmed कि whether there was a call from the assistant secretary of the board examination, he just rang back to the board office, but the line was engaged and only the staccato bleeps he could listen. देखते हो ना, फोन एंगेज होता है तो किस तरह की ब्लीप आती है ना, साउंड आती है. But then the line was engaged, wasn't it? Yes, not very intelligent there. 2 minutes later, he heard some whispered communication in the cell, and then McLary's broad Scots voice. See, after 2 minutes, he heard some whispering sound, and McLary's, okay, Scots voice. Scots means he belonged to Scotland, okay, Scottish voice. The accent was different. So he's asking events to do the corrections. as we many times we ask you, na, take out this question, take out this page number and this line, you know, this word is wrong, you better correct it, this word should come in
Yes, ma'am.
this and that. So similar thing was done by McLary. Will you please stop writing for a while, Mr. Evans, and listen carefully? अब इसका स्कॉट सेक्शन था बेटा, तो डिफरेंट था. Candidates offering German 021-1, candidates who are appearing in O-level German exams with the code of 021-1 should note the following corrections. On page 3, line number 15, underline it, you people also. The fourth word should read goldene, not golden. And the whole phrase will be there. The whole phrase will therefore, okay, read some golden lion, not some golden lion. I'll repeat it. Okay, who says McLary? Key on page number 3, line 15. जो fourth word है, वो golden है. It's not golden. Okay, and पूरा जो phrase है, okay, वो होगा zum. That this is the German language. Okay, zum golden lion and not zum golden lion, and he repeats it. The governor listened and smiled. He had taken German in the sixth form himself, and he remembered all about the agreements of adjective. Ab governor sunta, he just passes a smile. Why? Even he knew somewhat German language. He had studied up till the sixth form, and he also knew about the adjectives and all. And so did McLary by the sound of things, for the minister's pronunciation was most impressive. And similar, he thinks about McLary, even he understands German very well and about the adjectives and all. And whatever he was pronouncing, it was very impressive, very clear. But what about events? लेकिन वो कहता है हम तो समझते हैं, लेकिन events का क्या है? He probably didn't know what an adjective was. और शायद उसको तो मालूम ही नहीं है कि adjectives क्या होते हैं. Now the phone rang again. Okay, when the examination began, the first phone, it was from the assistant secretary. Now the second time the phone, it started ringing again. The magistrate's court. The phone was from the magistrate's court. They needed a prison van and a couple of prison officers remand case. Now see, the magistrate, you know, he needed a prison van. And he also needed some prison officers. Why? Because they have to deal with a remand case. Within 2 minutes, the governor was wondering whether that could be a hoax. वापस से कहीं confusion है, कहीं fake call तो नहीं है. Again, the governor was thinking. He told himself not to be so silly. फिर वो convince करता है, don't be so silly, don't be so stupid. His imagination was beginning to run right. Okay, imagination तो पूरी खराब होती जा रही थी, violent होती जा रही थी. Okay, it was all spoiling. तो मनी मन सोचता है पता नहीं वो क्या क्या सोच रहा है. हालांकि these things it will not take place, क्यों? Security बहुत tight थी, और the most important, even he was appearing on his own wish in the examination. Evans. Now, for the first quarter of an hour, Stephens had beautifully peered through the peephole at intervals of 1 minute or so, and after that, every 2 minutes. Our first quarter of an hour, that the Stephens, he was very, very dutiful. What I said, he was a newly recruited prison officer, तो बड़ा जोश था उसके अंदर, बड़ा enthusiasm था. Okay, तो हर एक मिनट में he was peeping through the peephole, okay, to look inside. And then after that, every 2 minutes, quarter of an hour तक तो कम से कम उसने हर एक मिनट बाद peep करा. But after that, after 2 minutes, okay, at 10:45 a.m., everything was still all right. As he looked through the peephole once more, it took 4 or 5 seconds, no more. What was the point? It was always more or less. Okay, exact 2 minutes भी नहीं होते, 1-2 seconds इधर उधर हो जाते थे, but it was more or less the same time. He peeped in. Evans, his pen between his lips, sat staring in front of him towards the door, seeking, it seemed, some sorely needed inspiration from somewhere. And how was Stephen sitting? Okay, as I'm sitting, I'm just facing you. Suppose this is the door that I'm facing, right, beta? So he was sitting like this only, and just opposite to him, McLary was sitting, whose back was seen by Stephens. Okay, उसकी back कहाँ थी? डोर की तरफ थी, right? और Evans का face जो था, Evans का face जो था वो डोर की तरफ था, और उसकी McLary का जो बैक था, है ना, ठीक है, वो कहाँ पे था, डोर की तरफ. Got it? Means opposite direction में they both were sitting. तो when he peeps inside, तो वो देखता है events, you know, he was having a pen. Okay, he was having a pen between his lips. So many of you do it during the exams. Don't you see the students, they put the pen or the pencil between their lips, and either they, ऐसा लगता है as if they are chewing or sucking it. Okay, and they just sit and they just think and think as if they are waiting for some inspiration to come from somewhere, है ना, कि कोई inspiration मिल जाएगी, तो यूं मुंह में पेन डाल के सोचते रहते. तो similar was the uh, position of Evans. Okay, in the similar posture, Evans was sitting with the pen between his lips and looking continuously towards the door as if some inspiration he's going to get from somewhere. And opposite him, uske opposite, McLary was sitting, seated slightly askew. Askew means somewhat slant, like this, you know, tilted like this. Okay. So if somebody from the back, if he sees me, he cannot see my whole face. Only the semi profile of my face it could be seen, right? So इसी तरह से McLary, he was sitting from the table now, his face in semi profile. His hair, as Stephens had noticed earlier, amateurishly means not in a proper manner. Okay, जैसे बड़ा dramatically, बड़ा unskilled manner में clipped, you know, they were sticking pretty closely to the scalp. उसके scalp से बिल्कुल चिपक रहे थे, है ना? They got stuck. His eyes behind the pebble lenses. Pebble are the round lenses, specs में जो थे. Peering short-sightedly at the church times, and he was just peering, looking at the newspaper. His right index finger hooked beneath the narrow clerical collar. और वो जो clerical collar था ना, जो churchman dress पहनते हैं, तो उसका collar था ना, there the index finger was there, और fingers of the left hand, nails meticulously manicured. बहुत अच्छे से मैनिक्योर थे, very well cut off and manicured. Okay, slowly stroking the short black beard, striking the short black beard. Okay. Now this was the position. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
At 10:50 a.m., the receiver crackled to life, and the governor realized he had almost forgotten events for a few minutes. वापस से, है ना? As soon as somewhat a little bit of conversation it began, what happened? The speaker, it came to life. Why? Because the voices now it could be heard by governor. Governor को लगा कि कुछ देर के लिए था, I just forgot events. तो events कह रहा, please sir, please. Okay, please sir. Again the first in a very soft sound, and again the voice it rises up louder. Would you mind if I put a blanket around me shoulders, sir? It's a bit parky in here, isn't it? Bit parky means bit cold. Okay, bit chilled. तो वो कहता है कि sir, can I just wrap the blanket around my shoulders because I'm feeling cold. It's quite cold this side. Then silence, and there's one on me, bunk there, sir. Okay, and he says there, one of my blanket, it's lying there on the bunk. McLary, you know, he says, okay, fine, then be quick, hurry up. Understood up till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Finding
Yes,
it
ma'am.
interesting? Finding it interesting or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just complete one more para. At 10:55 a.m., Stephens were more than a little surprised to see a grey regulation blanket draped, okay, round Evans' shoulders. 10:55, 51, but when he peeps inside, he was little more surprised. Why? He saw that Evans had draped, okay, had covered himself with a blanket, grey blanket. And he frowned slightly, frowning, you know, just raising the brows, and looked at the examinee more closely. और बड़े closely उस examinee को, candidate Evans को देखता. But Evans, the pen still between his teeth, was staring just as vacantly as before. Still, he was having the pen between his lips and vacantly, okay, bilkul vacant. He was just staring towards the two. Blankly beneath a blanket. Should Stephen report the slight irregularity? Now an idea it comes, a thought comes into Stephen's mind that this is a what an irregularity. Okay, this change, a slight change is there, but should he report it? Anything at all fishy, hadn't Jackson said, and Jackson had already informed कि if you find anything fishy, anything wrong, just inform me. He looked through the peephole again, वापस से देखता है, and even as he did so, Evans pulled the dirty blanket more closely to him. And when he peeped inside, he saw that Evans, he draped the blanket more closely to his body. Was he planning a sudden Batman leap to suffocate McLary in the blanket? अब उसके दिमाग में आता है कि क्या प्लान कर रहा है कि एकदम से जंप करके है ना मैकलैरी को है ना he should suffocate him under his blanket. Don't be daft. फिर वो अपने आप को समझाता है, come on, don't be so stupid, don't be such a fool. There was never any sun on this side of the prison. Okay, the sun rays hardly reaches there. Why? Because maybe it might be at the very back side of the prison. Okay, जहाँ sun rays नहीं पहुँच पाती हैं. So no heating either during the summer months में भी कोई heating नहीं है. So it could get quite chilly in some of the cells. है ना, तो कुछ cells जो हैं वो chill हो जाते हैं, ठंडे हो जाते हैं. Stephen decided to revert to his earlier every minute observation, and then he decides to go back to his earlier observations after 2 minutes, and he just drops this idea of just complaining or informing about this slight irregularity. Clear,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ रहा है? कुछ समझ में नहीं आए तो बता देना. I'll explain it in Hindi also. Okay? In case
Okay, ma'am.
if you fail to
Okay, ma'am.
follow anything, है ना कि मैम नहीं समझ में आया, हमें इंग्लिश का ये नहीं समझ में आया, I'll try to explain it in English, in Hindi, sorry. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Bye,
ma'am.
beta, take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you all.
Thank you.